Hello everyone, I am Ramesh Vardhan. I am the managing director of Yizumi HPM. We are basically original American company. Is owned by now Chinese group, and then we have our own manufacturing facility in Ahmedabad. So we make injection molding machine, rubber injection molding machine, die casting machine. In Ahmedabad facility, we have a very big. Last year we inaugurated a new facility with 21-acre land and 2 lakh square feet factory. So we make the machines right from 60 ton up to 1,000 ton in India, and the bigger machine we import from our parent plant from China. I think the HIPLEX this time is organized well. The response so far is good, and we hope that response will convert into a good business, because that's why we put a lot of effort and machine with automatic robots. We are displaying the machine to educate the customers about the new development, and we hope that will go into the board. But the inquiry so far is pretty good. Thank you very much.